An independent testing firm recorded the sound levels from 3 competitive models and a Cummins power generation unit of the same power rating. All the recordings were made at 7 meters from the units on the same day under the same weather conditions. All the units have the same load applied at 3,600 RPM. Here is the RS-20A from Cummins Power Generation. Okay, that's the RS-20A. Now, here's competitor A. Once again, the RS-20A. Now let's listen to competitor B. And the RS-20A from Cummins Power Generation again. Now, here's competitor C. And once again, the RS-20A from Cummins Power Generation. To put some numbers to what you just heard, the RS-20A is between 2 and 3 decibels quieter than the competing brands. The evidence is clear. From every angle, the Cummins Power Generation RS-20A generators are clean, quiet, and neighbor-friendly. Contact a Cummins Power Generation representative or visit power.cummins.com to learn about all the features that set the RS-20A apart from the competition.